y'all, it's your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So I know I told y'all I wasn't gonna go back. I know I told y'all I wasn't gonna go back, but I ended up going back to the haul. I've actually been back a couple of times, and so I just wanted to show you guys what I've got over the past, like, since pretty much ever since I did the first haul. So we just gonna get right into it, y'all. Gonna get right into it. But before we go, please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you like all things beauty lifestyle related, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at XOBEAUTYHAVEN and on my TikTok at IamTrishaLove. So we're gonna get in. All right, y'all, so we just gonna hop into the first bag of products here. So I have a bag here, some stuff. Actually got a couple of bags down here, but the first things I got were the Aromatherapy Lavender Vanilla Sleep Luxe Bubble Bath. Every time they would have some type of sale, I always end up missing these, because you know, people buy like every last bottle and don't leave none for nobody else. So I was really happy to see some. I actually went into the store today to pick my fiance up some body creams. They had a whole lot of these bubble baths, but I'm good with two, so I picked up two. Couldn't pass them up this time. They were only $4.95. Were they? Right now they're $4.95, but at the beginning, when I got these, they were 50% off. So I got two of these. All right, so the next things I got from the Aromatherapy line was the Tea Tree and Peppermint body cream and body wash. I've been eyeing this scent, and I've been wanting to get this one. I really wanted to get some of the other scents, but they didn't have them there, so I just got this one. I picked up this set here, and this smells really like minty. I get that tea tree, and it just smells really relaxing. So I was really happy to pick this up. It smells really nice and relaxing. From the Aromatherapy line, I also picked up the Chamomile and Bergamot Sleep body wash, and then I also got the Lavender and Vanilla body wash. I have both of these in the body cream, so I wanted to go ahead and just get the body washes for them. So that's that. All right, y'all, so I got some other body care goodies. I just wanted to get the Aromatherapy stuff out of the way first. I did go ahead and pick up y'all, I was so happy to see this one scent in stores, because for the longest they didn't have it in stores. They did have it there when they first initially dropped this scent, but then it became an online exclusive. So when I saw it in stores, I was really happy to see it. And that's Sleigh Rides and Snuggles. I was so happy to get my hands on this scent. I really wanted the body cream, but they didn't have any body cream, so I just settled for the body lotion. And I got the spray. This one has notes of snow-kissed icicles, fluffy balsam, and vanilla bourbon. This one, I don't pick up too much of the vanilla bourbon. If I do, it's just a little bit, but I smell more so of the freshness from the balsam and the icicles. It's really fresh and like icy in a sense. Very comforting and relaxing. So yeah, I'm definitely really happy to pick this scent up. The next scent I picked up, you guys, was Honey Wildflower. I never bought this one when they initially dropped it. I wasn't too big. I really didn't care too much for the scent when they first dropped it, but after giving this a couple of sniffs during semi-annual, I decided to go ahead and pick it up because I actually really like it. I really wished I would have picked up the body wash, but they didn't have no more body washes. They literally only had the body creams and the body spray. So I had to pick this up, and as you guys know, the notes of crisp pear, fresh wildflowers, and sweet honey, and it's like a sweet floral scent. You can definitely pick up the honey on it. It's a beautiful, like, soft, creamy scent. So yes, definitely really like this scent. All right, y'all, so the next scent I got was Pink Velvet Cupcake. Definitely had to pick this one up. I never owned her in the past, so I figured I'll go ahead and pick her. Pick her up. and I have worn this one already. So I got the cream, I got the spray, and I got the body wash. Really sweet and gourmand and fruity in a sense. It's just really, it's like a gooey sweet scent, if that makes sense. This one has notes of red berries with marshmallow and sugar praline. Smells really good. And then the next scent I got here is an OG scent that I've never had in the past, surprisingly. I picked up Cucumber Melon. Had to get this one up. Like I said, this is an OG scent. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then sis, you just gonna have to go and get it and see what we're talking about. So yes, this is the infamous Cucumber Melon that everybody loves. This one has notes of crisp cucumber, watery honeydew, summer cantaloupe, sparkling grapefruit, and sheer woods. This one is just really fresh. It smells like a sweet melony cucumber. Definitely perfect for the spring and summertime. I don't care, I'll probably wear this all year round. Just really fresh and sweet due to the, not sweet, fresh and fruity due to the cucumber and the melons and all the other fruit goodness that is in this scent. So I got the spray, I got the body cream, and I picked up the shower gel. So the next things I got here is some more body care, of course. Y'all know I love my body products. I went ahead and I picked up Miss Peace. I've been really wanting to get my hands on this one, so I was really happy to see it. Around the time I did my first haul from SAS, they didn't have the it was always either missing like the cream or the spray. So I was just like, you know what, I'm not gonna get it until I'm able to get the full set. So I picked up the cream, of course. I got the body mist, and I was able to get the shower gel. I really like this scent. It has raspberry in it, chill prosecco, and citrus twist. And with the raspberry and the citrus in it, it just smells so nice, tart and fruity, with a little bit of warmth in it. Really tart, really tart and fruity. So if you like your citrus scents and you like tart scents, this will be perfect for you. I really like this scent here. I'm surprised it's actually in a winter collection, because this will be perfect for the summer and springtime. So the next scent I got here is Love, which is cotton candy champagne. At first I was not going to pick up this scent, but I liked it enough to buy it. Because I've been side-eyeing the hell out of this scent. Because it's really sweet. And when I say really sweet, it's that cotton candy sweet. And I'm not much of a fan of too much cotton candy, but I liked it. Like I said, I liked it enough to purchase it. This one has notes of bubbly rosé, sweet strawberry, and pink sugar. The pink sugar and bubbly rosé really stood out to me in this scent. That's why I went ahead and just picked it. I went ahead and bit the bullet and picked it up. So I have the moisturizing body washes. I do prefer the moisturizing body washes. I do have like a nice little stash of them right now. I do really enjoy these, but I do like the body washes as well. So I got these. I got this. I got the body cream, and I got the spray. Definitely had to get that. So now I have the whole like holiday sets from that line. And I did pick up some backups of some things, and I did get like an incomplete set. The first one I got here that I'm gonna get into is a sweater weather. I really like this scent. I really enjoy this scent. I have this in the spray and the lotion, so I went ahead and picked up the body wash and the body cream. Really love this scent. I like how fresh and clean it is. It has a little bit of an apple note to it that I really like as well. So it's the perfect like fall, more so fall, but you can still wear it in the winter as well. It's a really nice fresh scent to wear. And I love the faceted like bottles and stuff. Anyway, so yes, so I got that. I went ahead and picked the white pumpkin chai. So I got the body cream. This was 75% off, so I said let me go ahead and get this because I do really, I do really like this scent. So, and I never got a chance to purchase it in the past, so I went ahead and picked up the body cream, and I got a mini a fragrance mist. I wasn't able to get it, I didn't see any of the full-size bottles, so I went ahead and got the mini bottle. I should have gotten 2, but it's fine. I have other, like, you know, sprays and stuff that I could pair with it, so got these 2. So some of the backups that I got, I did get a vanilla bean Noel shower gel. I have the moisturizing. I have everything in this line except for a shower gel, so I went ahead and picked up the shower gel. I couldn't find, I wanted another moisturizing body wash, but they didn't have any, so I got this instead. I love this scent, so definitely had to get another backup of that. I went ahead and got another Joy moisturizing body wash, because this is my favorite scent from the holiday collection. So I went ahead, I picked up another moisturizing body wash, and yeah, so I got another moisturizing body wash, but I did pick up the body cream for Vanilla Bean Noel, because I just have I think I have the lotion and I have the body butter, but I don't have a body cream. So I went ahead and picked up the body cream. I figured why not, it was $4.95. So I got that. And then I had another shower gel for Fireside Flurries. This is one scent that I've really been enjoying this winter and fall, so I definitely had to get another one of this one. I really love this scent, and I was really happy to see the Dahlia body cream. I really wish I would have picked up 2, because the word has been going around that they're discontinuing Dahlia, so I don't know about that, but I need Bath and Body Works to not play with my feelings, because Dahlia is one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. So I went ahead and picked up the body cream. I had the lotion, I have the moisturizing body wash, the shower gel, the spray, but I didn't have a body cream, so I made sure to get this to complete my sets. So I got that. And then I got this mini body cream for Mary Cookie, because I do have the mini body spray, so I figure I'll go ahead and pick this up to use together. And then I also have some lip glosses here. I've really been enjoying like Bath and Body Works lip glosses, so I went ahead and picked up some. I really like the formula of these lip glosses here, so I went ahead and picked up another frosted icing. This is my favorite one. I really like this one, so I went ahead and got another one of this one because I already have one. I went ahead and picked up Mary Mimosa, and I picked up Peppermint Patty. I really like the formula in these, and this one is really minty. I love the way this one smells and feels on my lips. This one is really sweet and gourmand for all my sweet lovers. This is a good one. And this one here, it smells like a mimosa, so definitely had to get these. I have some other lip glosses here. I picked up the Sweet Buttercream lip gloss. It smells so good. I picked up the Frosted Kiss lip gloss, and I also went ahead and picked up the Vanilla Bean Noel lip gloss. So got me some lip glosses. And then the last two things I got y'all were my candle holders. I love Bath and Body Works candles holders. Ever since this summer, I've actually been like buying like the candle holders. I do have quite a few back here in my closet, so I went ahead and get the two that I really wanted to get. So the first one I have here is the Leaves one, and all of these were 50% off, so I did not buy these at its full price. So this one here was originally $35, so I probably got it for $17 and some change. So got this one here. I think it's really cute. I like the leaves. I like how metallic it is, so definitely had to pick this up. And then y'all, the last candle holder I got was my snowman. Y'all, I had to get this candle holder. I said, you know what, the semi-annual sale is not going to end without me getting this this candle holder. So I'm so happy I got this. I'm really bummed that they didn't have the single wick snowman for my single wick candle holders that I have in my single wick candles that are burning here, but it's fine. Yes, this is so cute. They do have some other ones. I might go back and just get like another one of these, just in a different like a different snowman or whatever, because I really think they're so cute, y'all. They're so cute, and they're perfect for decor. They're perfect to use year round, although it's winter appropriate, but I don't care. I'm one of those people, I don't care about what season I'm in. If I like it, I'm gonna wear it all year round. If I like it, it's gonna be out in my decor all year round. So yes, this is definitely nice to display year round. So cute. All right, y'all, so that wraps up this haul, you guys. I will not be going back to buy anything else from the semi-annual, because literally all the stores I've been going to, they literally all have, they've been having like the same things. Mine is like, minus a few things or whatever, but they all honestly for the most part been having all the same things. So I am content with my purchases. I will not be going back, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please be sure to like this video so your girl can get seen a little bit more here on YouTube. And please go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you love all things beauty and lifestyle. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.